Hello everyone, we're doing a seafood boil. Hashtag B loves life. Eh? Well, this is our version. Kaapse style kick die bak. Oh, we're gonna feast. Thumbnail. Why am I doing the peace signs? Wait. Sunny, I'm doing a thumbnail. It's gonna be good in the neighborhood. Oh yeah. Yeah, boy. Ooh, yeah, like iemand is nervous.
I'm excited.
Take that off, because it fell on the floor.
Well,
Throw it away, my baby. Very excited. Okay, Jan, you can put it back there for your video. My niece is also doing a video for her channel. What's your video? Your channel's name?
Eat Pray Love with Ron Seidel.
Okay, I'm gonna share the link on in the description box below. Sunny, we're eating seafood.
Okay, so we have prawns, mussels, and corn and potatoes, and lovely lemon and onions.
Yeah, boy. Come dish.
Okay. So I dish for you.
Jy vat te lank en ek is al honger. Gina, jy vir
So
julle.
if I'm going to dish and fat myself. Or should I?
No, your dishes, I'll come in afterwards. Don't worry about me.
Got some corn.
Go. Jy gaan nou mos rol op. Rol op julle dinge se. Ek sien jou maak ons met asyn en alles die tafel skoon. Waar is hulle? Lekker.
So the key to seafood is lemon.
Oh yes. Millie, just go ask him, Taima and Opa.
Opa went to the mall.
Huh?
He went to go buy gout tablets, I think.
Okay. And some mussel and prawns. And some sauce. You see, I think there's a difference when you boil the prawns and the seafood in the sauce. There's a big difference. Yo, where's Atta them now? Where's Shelly? Them Shelly's off today. I wasn't going to do anything today. I gave Shelly the day off. But then plans changed on the last minute and here we are. I wonder how the onions will taste with it.
And
Jylle frikadel. Oeh, ja, dan mos ek al klaar. Ek is eerste. Seafood. Oh, girl, you are to me. I'm just gonna do this. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Bismillah, seafood boil. Oh yeah. Ja.
I
Ja.
like that spice. Not too spicy.
Just right.
Perfect.
Sheila, come near me and I can't get you in. Everything is delicious.
Prawn cooked in the sauce with some
Mmm.
taste.
Potato. Yeah.
This is gonna be messy. Potato. Muscle.
Must get the lemon Sheila. It's very lekker.
Oh yeah. Lemon. So excited. Imagine we had crayfish and crab with it. Oh my word. Wow. Oh, okay, the thing is already dead. Now I understand why Bee loves life. Mosu.
Don't fight now. Love bee loves.
I love Bee loves.
I wonder if the sauce is sold in South Africa.
Yeah, you can see. It looks like I'm gonna eat it a lot and eat this. I mean, it's so good, Sheila. Oh my word.
Lemon.
Potato. You love it?
So amazing.
Wow. Sauce is amazing.
Who made seafood boil?
Afalapachi. Some onion. There we go. Somebody was still time to remove. I can't get it.
And it's one of the mussels that's in the way. Oh, this one.
Is daar iemand naar voren? Nee, nee. Maar ons is in de making nou, ons kan er niks doen nie. The head. Uh-uh.
Prawns are nice, no?
I like the milling.
My first seafood boil, and it's 10 stars. I must just learn how to peel this. Yeah, and peel.
Put the paper towel here.
How was this meal? See? Zet die spinnels in. Nice and spicy, no?
Yeah.
Do you like the spice?
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. Did you see how I made it?
And do you have to kind of that?
Okay guys, that was our seafood boil. We enjoyed ourselves so much. Ons kan nie eens praat nie. We messed everywhere. You must see what it looks like. You just see bean and millies and shells everywhere.
And sauce.
And sauce. Okay, bye everyone. Say bye vir die mense, Noran. Waar Sila? Sila, kom wys gou jou gesiggie.
I hope you enjoyed the video. And like, subscribe, and comment.
I'm very happy. Okay, bye everyone.